be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Just a little bit more. I feel like Da Vinci when he was painting the Mona Lisa.
I need another model. This one looks like she's been in the sun too long.
The eyeshadow and powder are done. So what should we do next? Ooh, I know, the eyelashes.
Eyelashes? Why didn't I think of that? Ugh.
We need to stick the lashes to our model's eyelids with some special glue. We don't want them falling off.
Can you imagine that happening? We would be the talk of the fashion world. Miss, close your eyes, please. This is an important part.
That's the model's eyelashes on, but something seems to be missing.
I know. We need to add some black volume mascara. Here you go, Susie.
Great idea, Sammy. Let's do it.
Sue, I need some mascara for my eyelashes too.
Sure. Oopsie.
Huh? What happened just now? Oh no, what a disaster! What should I do? I can't stay like this! Ah!
I'm so sorry, Sammy. I guess you had to use more lash glue. All right, let's move on. Next, we'll try the blusher. It will give our model a healthy glow. Where was it? The blusher will also help add some contouring. But I need a makeup brush.
Look at me, Sue! I'm like a peacock!
Right on time.
But Sue, it looks so cool on me. You're such a fun killer.
I'm sure you can find something else. Look at those rosy cheeks. Any model would dream of them.
I'm getting the hang of this. It's not so hard. I'll be a celebrity. The pride of Paris. The main man of Milan.
Maybe, someday. But now let's give our model fuller lips. And this lipstick will do the job.
But we could use some lip plumper too, don't you think?
Say no more.
Now we're talking.
Wow, that worked even better than I thought it would. Great job.
It's time to slow things down. This is a song I wrote called It Ain't Easy Being Slime. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please, no singing, Sammy. We still have work to do.
That's okay, Sue. The song is still a work in progress. That's all I wrote so far.
Now that I look at it, I think that lips are kind of too big. Let's try with another lipstick. Wow, awesome color! It's time to do the nails. It's a vital part of any makeover after all. Let's open another blind baggie. These stickers will give the nails a little sparkle, and that's what we all want.
There's so many! I don't know what to choose. Ugh. This is so hard!
Oh, I like this one. I think I'll do this with my nails, too, when we're done here. And for the other hand, I want to use this pretty heart. We still have one bigger baggie here. I'm sure there's something really cool inside. Wow! Sammy, you have to see it!
It's time for a fresh new look. Let's see how this hairstyle looks on our model.
There we go. I think it's a perfect fit. Do you agree, friends? Everybody needs a little jewelry. We have some in this baggie. Shiver me cheddars. These earrings look classy. I would like a pair of these too. But that's not all. It looks like we have more accessories. It's a hair clip. We don't want any stray hairs, so it will keep everything in place. And finally, sunglasses. I mean, models need to have them. It gives some extra charm. They look so stylish. Wow, Sammy, we did a great job. The model looks stunning.
Do you really think so? I couldn't have done it without you, Sue. Let's have another look at our masterpiece.
What a day! But at least I picked up some new makeup tips. Ouch!
Sue! My model is in the latest edition of the magazine! Yay!
All right. Wow, that's amazing, Sam. You're clearly talented.
Whoa.
This is amazing, really. But keep your voice down, would you? Roger's in bed sleeping. Don't wake him up, please.
Is he? Looks like I've just found my next model to practice on! See you next time, friends! Bye!
What? Sammy, get back here! Oh!
Could be a new house for you.
Let's go! It's too hot in here anyway. Walk, don't run. Making a house on a tree stump instead of in an actual tree is the latest thing in forest living. Not too high, not too low, and best of all, covering the top is a wonderful fungus.
Fungus means mushroom.
Mushrooms? They're so slimy. Well, thank you, Cap, but this is definitely not the house for me.
Here we have a dream home.
With all those thorny branches?
Yes, but on top of those branches are delicious brambleberries. You won't have to go far to, eat.
But I like plums. Thank you, Daffodil. But it's impossible. I'll never find a house as good as my old one. Never.
There's still Rose's great oak tree.
Well, here we have the greatest oak tree of the park, just waiting to be your new home. It's shady enough to be cool in summer, but with a trunk thick enough to be warm in winter. What do you think, Plum?
It smells woodsy and nice. No slimy fungus. No thorny branches. I think it might be. But I can't see Duck Pond from here. I have to see Mama Duck and the duckling. Told you I'm never gonna find a new house like my old house. I feel so tired.
Hi, Plum. So did you find a house?
I just want to take a nap.
Oh, she's finally asleep. Plum can stay with me as long as she wants, but I don't think she likes my pillows.
It's impossible to find a tree that she likes as much as her old one.
Cap, that's it. Daffodil, remember what you said before?
The brambleberries are good to eat.
No, remember you said we should grow Plum a tree, and we all said we couldn't. What if we were wrong? Let's try growing a new tree that's just like our old tree, but we'll need to put all our lilybud magic together. I'll go and tell everyone.
Did Rose just suggest that we...
Yep, do the impossible.
I hope this doesn't take long. I've got pea casserole in the oven.
It's Plum! She was sleeping in her teepee, and now she's gone. Let's spread out and search. Send up a flower flare if you find her.
Plum? Gooey! Where are you, Plum? Come on out.
Plum, where are you?
Plum!
Plum, I thought we'd find you here. Go and send a flower flare. Are you okay?
Yes, I just came to get my things and to see what I used to see. Like when I sat in my swing at night. And the moon was shining and I looked over Duck Pond. Or when I would sleep in the ferns underneath my blanket where it was nice and cool. Guess it doesn't matter where I live now.
A flower flare. Let's go.
You have some wonderful memories from this home. But you know, Plum, you can have all your favorite things in a new home and make new wonderful memories. What do you say? Will you let us try to grow you a new tree?
A new tree just for me?
We've never done this before, so it might be impossible. But for you, Plum, we're willing to try. Keep going, Lilybuds. Almost there.
I can see Duck Pond and my fern bed, and there's a nice breeze. Thank you, Lilybud. Thank you, thank you.
It's ready, Lilybuds.
Who wants to taste this?
Home sweet home.